Personally, I felt that it is better for us to run a recruitment-related activities rather than the traditional type, because in a single event, you will be able to meet a lot of different talent, and it's not just about hiring, and it is also about bringing the employer branding in the forefront to enable our candidates or to enable job seekers to be able to experience what Prudential is.
Really different, and I think it's much better than the normal interviews that we have, the one-on-one at home or virtually, or just call out for one interview, then after you wait for the second interview.
For us, it's also quite efficient use of time. We just need to have half a day off to complete the whole interview journey. Because for me, I feel like for tech interview, it goes on rounds and rounds. It will have first round, second round, third round. Some even go to 5, 6, 7. So it is more efficient, it's faster. I have sufficient information from my recruiter. She has sent me all the required information that I need, and she's always attentive and available in case if I need to ask any questions.